Hi guys, in this video I'll show you how to make a group chat in Character.ai app. First of all, open any type of preferred browser on your PC and go to beta.character.ai. Now make sure to sign into your account and you will be redirected to your account's homepage where all of the available chatbots will be present. Here, click on the Create Embed at the left side of your screen and a pop-up will appear. Inside this pop-up, select Create a Room and you will be sent to this web page. Now, you will be prompted to enter your room name. Then select the characters with whom you want to create a group chat and then set the topic of your room. The topic of your room is optional and is up to you. Once you are done setting up, tap on the Created button at the right side and your group chat will be created. So that's all for this video. If this video was helpful, don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button. Thanks.